Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making chicken noodle soup. You will need 1 rotisserie chicken, 2 stalks of celery, 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of baby carrots, 10 ounces of egg noodles, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of butter, 9 cups of chicken broth, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and parsley to garnish. Place your pot or Dutch oven on medium heat, then melt your butter. Now add your onion, celery, carrots, and garlic, then saute for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add your chicken. Now season with the basil, salt, pepper, thyme, and oregano, then mix until well combined. Pour in your chicken broth, then add the bay leaf, then bring your soup to a boil. Now add the egg noodles and cook for 6.5 minutes. After 6.5 minutes, add the parsley, then give your soup a final stir. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grab